Guys, I'm back with another one, and in this one I'm not doing a product review, but instead I'm doing my long range rig overview. I'm doing it because yesterday I did my personal long range record doing 5 kilometers with this rig. So I might before uploading the actual footage, I'm going to go over the parts and the whole rig I used for that flight. So first, the rig is 6S lithium ion battery used on this flight, and for the frame I have heavily modified Mocha Griff. I think only from the original frame, I think only the bottom plate is left stock. So I have 6 mm arms, 6 inches, 6 inch arms that are 6 mm thick. I have modified the side plates to accommodate the stack, and also a custom TPU mount for the GoPro and the antennas. So for the electronics in this, I have Hobbywings 60 amp ESC, Radix Brain FC, and Rush Ultimate Tank VTX. So, and also I don't know what's this GPS, but I think it's some cheap one from Banggood. And also the motors are Hobbywings 2306. I believe there are 1750 kV. And for the FPV cam, it's Runcams Eagle 2. On the receiver, it's TVS Crossfire, of course, and AXI 2 antenna. So the whole point of this rig is to have the battery underneath, although I don't like the flight characteristic of the bottom mounted frame, but you can use any size LiPo here. You can use the long one or short one, doesn't matter, because it doesn't interfere with the whole frame, so, or the rig. So for the antenna mounts, I have them mounted vertically, so when you're flying like this, you have the VTX antenna sticking up vertically, and you have Crossfire antenna sticking out vertically, and also you have the GPS module aligning perfectly to have the best signal. So I try to do it as clean as possible for separating all the components. I given them ample room so they don't interfere electronically with each other, and yeah, the results are pretty great. So 5 kilometers and pretty clean video feed. You will see in the video coming up. So let's check that out. This is the receiving part. I have the rapid fire module running two antennas, although I prefer, when I'm doing a long range flight, disabling rapid fire mode and going only with one receiver on all radio transmissions helical antenna. It's really narrow beam, and you have to point the antenna or aim the antenna to get good feed. But yeah, this antenna is really perfect. Usually what I'm running on my goggles for mid-range flights are these new Orca FPV omnidirectional antennas. They are next big thing, trust me, they're perfect. Running two of those on rapid fire module, you get signal for days. Yeah, so it's pretty good. So this is the goggle or FPV receiver part.